Did you ever think simple AI car painting videos could get millions of views? Honestly, I was shocked when I started seeing videos like this absolutely blowing up. And the best part? They're insanely satisfying to watch. Just look at this Mustang on the left. Watching the color transform like that is seriously satisfying. But here's the crazy part. You can make videos like this yourself, and you could even go viral with them. And thanks to AI, creating this type of content has become incredibly easy. So, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make videos like this. We're only going to use two AI tools, ChatGPT and Google Flow. First, open ChatGPT. In the search box, type "Give me 10 sports car names." ChatGPT will generate a list of 10 sports cars. Simply choose any car you want from the list. Next, you'll need my secret prompt. You can find it in the description or the pinned comment. Just copy the prompt. Then open Google Chrome and search for Google Flow AI. Click the first result, then select New Project. Go to the video section. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio. Choose the 10-second video option. Select the Omni Flash model and set it to 1x. Now, paste the secret prompt into the prompt box. You'll see two things you can customize. For the object, enter any car model you want. And for the color, you can choose any color you like. For this example, I'm going with a Lamborghini and changing the color to red. Now, simply click the arrow and wait a few seconds.
And there you go. Look at how cinematic and satisfying this turned out. Pretty cool, right? If you want more AI content like this, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one.